Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue my lecture for +1 Arts Political Science, and the name of the chapter is Democratic Participation. As we all know that India is a democratic country where elections are held after every 5 years, and people who attain the age of 18 years have the right to give the vote and choose their representative. If we talk about the development of a country, here we read about the democratic participation. You know that how many times have you been told that you must do something? Say, obey your parents, obey your teachers, and respect your elders. That is only for your own good. And have you feel like saying, if it is good for me, please let me decide that myself. The distinction or difference between democracy and dictatorship is that in a democracy, people choose their own representatives. They participate in the government decisions. They have given different fundamental rights for living a standard life. But in a democracy, there are some conflicts over resources or different visions of good life. These are resolved through different type of debates, discussions, and respect for the right of all. These cannot be imposed from above. If everyone in a society has a common stake in achieving a better life, then everyone needs to be involved in formulating the goals of development and in devising ways of implementing it. But there is a little difference between following a plan made by others and sharing in the formulation of the plans. Now let us start with the discussion of this topic. First, even if others make plans with the best intention, they are likely to be less aware than you about your specific needs. Second, अगर हम बात करें being an active part of the decision making process, that is empowering. जो डेमोक्रेसी है एंड डेवलपमेंट है, these are concerned with realizing the common good, not for selfishness. So by what process can the common good जो है be defined? अगर हम बात करें इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, जो राइट हैं पीपल के, these rights are very necessary to participate in the decision making that is emphasized. एक another way है by which we suggest to ensure participation is allowed to all local decision making bodies. That means to take decisions about development projects in local area. Increasing the powers and resources of local body जो है is thus being advocated. On the one hand, ये भी आर्ग्यू किया जा रहा है कि जो people have to be consulted on issues, उन issues पर which most affect them, or it should be possible only to reject the projects which can adversely affect the community. On the other hand, it is also said that कि जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट है इन प्लानिंग एंड फॉर्मुलेटिंग द पॉलिसीज, वो अलाउ करती है पीपल को टू डायरेक्ट रिसोर्सेज टूवर्ड देयर नीड्स. For example, where a road must be laid, what should be the route of the metro or local buses? Where a park or school should be located? Whether a village need check dam or internet cafe should be decisions which must be taken by them. ये भी आर्ग्यू किया जा रहा है कि above that the prevailing model of development जो है top down tend to view people on objects of development. ये भी assume किया जा रहा है कि there is one best way to arrive at solution for our problems. एक ऐसा प्रोसेस इन विच accumulated knowledge and experiences of people जो है उसको इग्नोर किया जा रहा है. डिसेंट्रलाइज जो अप्रोच है फॉर डेवलपमेंट के लिए उसने इसको पॉसिबल बना दिया है टू यूज वेरियस काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज. मीन्स ट्रेडिशनल एंड मॉडर्न उन दोनों को यूज किया जाए इन अ क्रिएटिव मैनर. नाउ लुक एट दिस कार्टून. Two children are discussing something. Now let us start with their talk. First of all, Umi, a girl is talking with boy. Look, Uni, I get the latest mobile phone. It is too state of the art with Bluetooth, games and all that. जो boy है उसने उसका क्वेश्चन सुनकर आंसर दिया. That's one nice. But you had bought a new phone only a few months back. What happened to that one? Girl ने reply किया, oh, that was an old model. That is why I disposed of it. तो boy ने आगे से आंसर दिया, but you know how much non-degradable e-waste it creates. This make worse the problem that our ecosystem is facing today. So जो ये डिस्कशन है इसमें ये भी बताया गया है कि अगर किसी चीज़ की नेसेसिटी होगी तभी उस चीज़ को हमें परचेज करना चाहिए. अदरवाइज इफ यू हैव मनी एंड समथिंग यू बॉट फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ्स अगो देन दैट सेम थिंग इन अ न्यू मॉडल यू परचेज्ड अगेन. दैट इज अ बिग वेस्टेज फॉर आवर कंट्री. You know that in our country, both rich and poor people are lived together. Rich people जो हैं, they satisfy their needs with the resources they have because they have much money with them. But जो poor people हैं, they haven't money to satisfy their basic necessity of the life, that is food, clothes and shelter. So it is advised to all people in a developing country means to use those resources in such a systematic order so that it satisfies the needs of all the people. ये चैप्टर टॉपिक यहीं पर फिनिश है. नेक्स्ट हम स्टार्ट करेंगे डेवलपमेंट एंड लाइफस्टाइल. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.